Hey Russell fam, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a year-end review of my father's world, learning God's story. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel, we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. Make sure to check that out. There, I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. We also have a store. I will leave a link down in the description box if you want to check that out. New products are added weekly. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my year-end review of learning God's story. Now, I have been using my father's world for 7 years. This is my second time to teach this curriculum. I have a first grader and a sixth grader now, and I love my father's world. In this curriculum, they have everything laid out and planned out for me. There's nothing I have to sit down and plan out. Now, if I want to make sure I have everything I need for the next week, I just open the lesson and it will tell me at the top. Let me just show you one real quick. It has the materials. It has everything that I'm going to need for the next week. I know it's backwards, sorry. And then down here, it tells you what you're going to read, what you're going to say, what you're going to do. And then it has everything planned out. All the days, it plans your lessons out. I love that. It makes life so much easier for this busy mama, especially because I am teaching a first grader and a sixth grader. Now, having a 5-year gap is really hard when you're having to teach the phonics and the reading and that type. So that is why I decided to teach 2 totally different curriculums. It is a little harder on me, but I've got to do what is best for the kids. Now, I do not use their language arts for the other grades, just to let you know. I've changed that out because it didn't work for us. I have a video on that as well. But I love my father's world. It was recommended to me by a homeschooling mom when I was trying to figure out what curriculum I needed to use, what was going to work best. Well, when you're first looking into homeschooling and looking into curriculums, it can be so overwhelming. And you have no idea what curriculum is best for you or what's going to work. So you've just got to figure that out by trial and error. And using my father's world has been the biggest blessing. If you have any questions or any comments, drop them down in the description box, or down in the comment box, I'm sorry. I will be happy to answer any of them for you. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.